Good morning, everybody. This is the Professor with Day Trading for Success. I'm running a little bit behind. I'm going to do some trading of the open in just a few minutes here. Please read this disclaimer. I am not a licensed financial advisor. These are just demonstration videos. We have a lot of cool stuff here on the channel that you can get for free, a lot of custom scripts. I will be making this new open layout available on here if you just look where the link is. Also, I want to talk about, so it's about 4 minutes, I'll start to trade. I'm going to talk about the books that we promote here, as well as all the different videos in the channel, the videos that show which way the market's going to go each day. You might want to watch that. How to set up your scanner so you don't have to buy a service. How to set up your charts. How to build these layouts. Lots and lots and lots of different videos on this channel. So remember to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. We are not selling courses. We are not selling anything. Everything's free. On episode 83, you get all these custom scripts, including this amazing one here, the Scalper's Indicator, which you'll see in action in a few minutes. But basically, the other thing that we promote a lot of is the top 5 books I say to get if you want to become top 6 books if you want to become a professional trader. Day Trading Volume 1, 2, and 3, put out by the $1 Million Margin Club. Those are great books. The first one is all about the RV strategy, which is sort of, you'll see in action here at the open, which last March became something that sort of changed day trading forever, really, when that came out. So that's a bestseller. Then they have 2 pattern books after that. Then you have Mark Douglas's Trading in the Zone. You're going to want to get that. We have 2.5 minutes, guys. And then you're going to want to get Best Loser Wins. I can never pronounce the guy's last name, but he's a good author too. And then the Trading Journal Logbook is pretty important, which is the one I had a hand in, which was great, which has the criteria for the open strategy. It's just like a $12 book, so it's worth getting that. It's a logbook because I really want people to log. So basically, we did the same thing here. We set up like we would on the RV strategy. We took the close of yesterday and the ATR down here, if you look at that, which was $8.02. I know, I got 2 minutes. And we divide that by 2. You subtract half from the close to get the ATR low, add half of it to close to get the ATR high. That's our first range. So although this is open strategy, isn't really a range-bound strategy. We also mark the Fibonacci level. I go 10 days back to go left to right always, and then 2 days back. Now, those are going to give me support and resistance levels, and then I mark the pre-market high and the pre-market low. So this basic strategy, and one pivot line here that I thought might come into play. So basically, the strategy to trade this open, which we're going to start in just about a minute, is that you want to wait for it to break the pre-market high or the pre-market low before you get in. Now, it may churn here for quite a few minutes. I personally like to, my strategy is have it break it and then retest. Break it, retest. It looks like it's going to be up here, though. So break it, retest, take off. That's what I like. There are too many times it breaks it and then I get caught in a flush. 45 seconds, guys. So 5-minute chart, level 2, active trader. Level 2 is not going to come in too helpful on an open strategy when you have a large cap like this, a $25 billion minimum market cap. It does not, it's not going to. Now remember, this is multiplied by 100, and there's a lot of hidden, and there's a lot of dark pools, and a lot of spoofers, and a lot of, so the micro cap, you can really see a level 2, but on the large cap, it just, some people can use it, but unless there's huge numbers and it's really thickly traded, like you get into one of the automobile stocks or something, and you're only moving a penny or 2. So we like the chip stocks. We like stocks that fit the ARV strategy criterion for the open as well. Wow, there it goes. And it broke it immediately. Now, I'm suspect of that, guys. So I know a bunch of you are already in. So there you go. Boom. Whatever. Trading the open is like, it's like gambling for sure. I mean, it definitely is like gambling. So let me just get this, let's just see if we can start to get this scalper indicator to come into play too. It's going to be a little, so the buyers are just destroying me right now. So I probably should have taken that trade. It's resting here now. So, oh man. So, I mean, I guess you could call it retested, but I don't think the first candle is an adequate retest. This is not even 1 minute yet. Look at that. That could have shaken me out, as it did with some of you guys. So some of you are red up there. So this is the problem, right? So that's not enough of a, this could actually end up being going short. Look at it go down. People wanted to go short. That's a huge move there. That's $2 right there, 2 points. Now this pivot point might stop it. Let's see. That's where it had stopped a whole bunch of times earlier. And if you took that across to yesterday, it was the same. It was respected. That's one of the reasons I marked it. It broke through it. Didn't really do much for there, but this is the bottom of the volume profile. This is set for intraday, and that's really, I think, more along the lines of what turned that around, that most traders saw that and then started to think about going long. I'm actually may go in early, which I don't advise doing. I just 96. Yeah, let me see if it goes down here again. If it goes down here again, I may go long, and I shouldn't. I should be teaching you guys. It really should break this or break the short. I'm going to wait. Yep, I get caught up. I get FOMO here. So now I might get an anticipation just below it as it's climbing. So if it does do that, but it might drop off here. Yeah, it's dropping below that fib. I'm so tempted to buy right here, guys. I got to tell you, I feel like it's going to turn around. I really do. But you saw that the buyers won out here on the last candle. All the huge volume has come down from the sellers. So that's why you just see it grinding here. So if I wasn't following a strategy, I would go in right here. This is a huge hammer, big hammer that's telling you this is reversing. However, I will say that trading, counting on patterns in the first 5 to 10 minutes is a little risky. Patterns are risky. Okay, hang on. It is making the move. It is making the move to go up. I'm going to get it in anticipation, guys. So that's a little early. I will manage my position. I know I just said I shouldn't do that. So it's gonna punish me. It's gonna punish me, isn't it? Look at that. It's punishing me because I didn't follow the rules. Look at that. So I have $1,000 max loss. I wish right now I would have set a little higher. Oh, I should have waited. I kind of lost track of what I was doing there for a second. Yep, I should have waited. So let's just hope that just looked like such a powerful turnaround to me, and then it wasn't. So you need to wait for the strategy like I didn't do. So don't do what I did. And I don't like the fact that the buyer volume dropped either. I don't like that. So now I'm feeling like, oh my God, it's going to fade off. And I've got a position way up here. Where am I? I'm way 1338. I'm like right here. Here's my position, like right up here. So, wow. And it's way down here and going down. So this could be a losing trade to start the day. I will not reverse. I'll just get out for a loss. And it'll just be harder to make my 5K. But I should have waited. Let's see what happens if I would have waited. See, here it comes. So that's what should have happened. It didn't happen. Well, half of you are red and half of you are green up there. So, whoa. So now it has really broken it. So I just dipped a little early in there. So now it's really broken it, guys. So I'm going to look to reverse off that fib level. Let's see if it reverses off that. Get ready. It just broke right through it. 215 is 215 is the next one. It broke right through 215. Wow. So now we've got the ATR up there, which is 1550-ish. And that is absolutely a turnaround for me. No matter what anything else looks like, I will turn around at the ATR. So let's just see. Yeah, I'm going to take that. I got that at 215.39. So I got it below there. Oh, I tried to get it right there. I got it below there. Okay. Oh, man. Going long again. I'm banking it off this fib. I'm going long again. 215.07. So I'm like right here. I'm going to bank it off that. I'll take that and hope it's going to go back down. Go back down and bank off it again. I'll do it again. What did I get it now? 17. That wasn't as good. I creeped up a little bit here. I'm looking for it to break that ATR now or just fade off. And now I've got a bigger cushion, so I'm not going to... I want to see it get down to 214.80-ish before I get worried here again. So, yeah, so maybe it's going to fade off the ATR. It keeps hitting it, boy. This is a dangerous level because this could really send it to retrace all the... It could go all the way down here now. So you got to be ready to manage a bad position and just take the hit, which you guys have seen me do many, many times. But right now it's a great start, so there it goes. Okay. It broke the ATR. Is it going to stay up there? 3,000, 215. How you guys doing? So it's broke 215, almost 216. So this is what the market maker is going to give me. It does look like it's reconciling pretty good, which is great. Now I do have a faster... my open layout is faster than my RV strategy. My layout is that there's less things taking up memory and bogging things down that don't reconcile, because mostly I want this level 2 to reconcile. So you'll see it's much sharper, much cleaner, reconciling much better. And wicks aren't quite as long, which is fine. I don't tweak it for the patterns to begin with. I tweak it for speed so that this makes sense to me. I've got it on the open. I have to watch the level 2 even on a large cap. And not so much for bunching up, because that's not going to move it, but just for the price action and the spread. You've seen me struggle with that, and wow. So that's not a good sign. So you see that? That's telling you it's going to turn around. This spinning top is also telling you it's going to turn around. So I have to get ready for this. If this breaks the ATR, I have to immediately reverse. All signs are that yeah, okay. So I'm going to take that. It's going right back up. I'm going to take a hit. I lost money there. That was stupid. There was slippage there. I thought it was going to dive because of this spinning top. So here's the thing, guys. I know I'm talking rapidly here, but I don't want to really respect patterns for the first 10 minutes, so I should stop looking at them. Honestly. So that told me as it broke through here that it was about to dive because of that reversal pattern, but it didn't dive, did it? So that was a stupid move. It was an educated move, sort of. Do I want to call me stupid all the time? Not really. Wow, I don't have anything until way up here, some of these price levels. I can't even remember where those are marked from. You know what I did? I just slid those out of the way. When I do my, especially with the ATR, I'll just do click, 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 and then I slide them. I don't think those are actual levels. I just slide stuff out of the way so I can grab it. But I'll have to look again on the chart to see. Maybe I'll just do it right now just to look real quick. Yeah, those are when I did when I was marking the ATR. Yeah, there's nothing there. Okay. So I can't look at that like that's anything real. I'm tempted to, though, huh? Oh. Oh, that's at 218.50. 218 would be something to look at for a reversal. I'm going to look at 218 and see if that's going to even get up there. There's 17. It's slowing down, so I'm going to bank some money here, guys. There's 70. Oh, is it going down? How high is it going to get? So it's stopping. 50, 217, 58, 59. Give me one push up there. It's going the wrong way. $50, 63, 70. Oh, give me another 70 up there. I'll take that. At least I banked it. Now, if it keeps going up, I'll reverse again. Yeah, there's nothing to do here but to mark the even and half dollars now. We got nothing. I didn't do extensions on the fib. You guys, a couple of you read, and I'm not quite sure how that happened. I think you held that too long. Yeah, it is possible to go red on a straight up move, believe it or not. It's not that uncommon. You get stuck on thinking it's going to go the way you want it to go, and it doesn't go. And yeah, I see what happened. Well, you have plenty of time to just one of you. That's unfortunately, most people have got 3,000, 4,000. All right, so let's see what we got here, guys. Wow, look at the 5 minutes. Everybody's just looking at this as a long thing here, so. This may fade here. So this is it may bounce right there on that. So I'm looking at that for a potential the top of that volume profile intraday. That's right around 216.50ish. If it goes back down there, it might that might give it some support, and I can bank a little bit more money on this trade. I'm watching the market maker now. I could see out of the corner of my eye, my left side, I see where that candle is. But I'm watching the market maker to make a move around the 1650-ish zone. 50, what did I get at? 58. I thought it was going to pop down right when I hit it. So now I'm short. Boy, I make the 5 already, which is great. Now this is the intraday volume profile. That should pull up this point of control. That's going to pop this up, which means there's more price action up here we didn't know about that happened already that could literally propel this, because of all these people, propel the action of this stock upward. So if this continues, you're going to watch this pop up, which sort of gives us a floor. You know, now it might not, but I'm liking the fact that I'm long again here because I'm liking it, and it's bouncing on this 9. So that's the last 9 candles average, predicted average. So it's still moving in here with, now this has already happened. Remember, I'm not suggesting this is, there it goes. You see the point of control pop up? Did you see that? It was boom. So that's going to most likely, now this is should be your lower area rather than it pulling down. So you've got the ATR for support, and now you're grinding right here. So I like my position right now. So It's just going to grind here. So look for a possible turnaround right here, right at the 218. Could be where we want to grab some money and then manage it if it keeps going up. Let's see. It tells me a lot. If the volume of the buyers on the scalpers indicator are going to pass, if this volume might pass here. So let's see what happens here. Nope, it closed, so it didn't. So it's kind of weakening here, which means it might turn around even before this. So be ready. See if it hits 218. I'm looking at 218 to turn around. It's just a, wow, okay. Okay, that's a psychological resistance. Is it going to turn around? I'm going to grab it real quick and bank it. See if it pulls back. Oh, wow, I got it at 73. Oh, that's terrible. Oh, wow, that was way lower than that. Was way worse than I thought. That was terrible slippage. Okay, I'm looking for a lesser loss. It's going up. I'm looking for a lesser loss. It's going to pull back. It's going to pull back. Give me a pullback. Give me a pullback. Oh, my God, it's not going to pull back. I got to get out. I got to get out. Oh, one more tick up and I'm out. Is it going to go down? If I see a 500 there, I'm okay. Wow, that hurt. Okay, so I played that wrong. I really thought I was going to drop off. Ouch! I'm still nice and green. That was a bad trade. I had a couple of bad trades this week with way worse than that you guys never even saw. Oh my God, look at it go now. So I have a chance to recover up here. Really looked like it was from the scalpers indicator that was going to go down, but wow, it's really going up now. I'm not going to get out early now. So there's 219 even. That is definitely psychological resistance. See how it just stopped there. Now we look at 219.50 or 220 if it continues to go up, or if it pulls back down through here, then I'll start reversing and going the other way again. Lost some money there, unfortunately. So man. Yeah, I really read that wrong. This is strong on the scalpers indicator now. I mean, this is just 70%. Now it's kind of struggling. Oh boy. Oh wow. Oh wow. I'm reversing up here. 27, 21. I lost it. I got a worse position there. Okay. 218, 97. I thought I was up in here. So I'm right at 219. Struggling at 219. I got to play these dips, guys. I got to try to not just follow the trend. I'm trying to make more money. Those of you that are just hanging on are being smart and just riding this up right now. Yeah, I'm looking to get back long again. I'm looking to get to some position down here where I can turn around again without slipping past it. $218.50, anywhere close. I'm just going to take that. $218.73. And of course, it's going to keep going down. Oh, anyway. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it wants to get up to 220. Yeah, these half dollar and dollar really didn't do much. I mean, the dollar, even 1950 kind of did something. It punched. No, it never made it to 1950. So here we go again. We're going to try to get up there. Look at what the market maker is going to give me here. 19. I'm going to look for a pullback up here, but I want to catch it higher this time. 34, 34, 44, 30, 40. Wow, just flying by so fast. There's 40. Nope. I'm looking for like 1950, maybe 1975, and try another reverse. Try to catch it again. Go against the trend. It's not really trending though. It's moving sideways now. Where'd it go now? Come on. Get up to at least 1950. Show us your strength up there. 30. I saw 30. Then it dropped back below, broke back below it. This is just sideways action. You got to be really careful because the slippage here is pretty extreme for this when you're only moving 25 to 50 cents up and down. You just don't have any room for these quick trades. So you just hold out, guys. Hold your breath and wait for something bigger. 300-500 type trades. I'm getting ready. There was 47 cents, 48 cents. I don't think I can do. Oh, look at it coming across. It's going to pull it up. 30. 37. I know the second I click it, it's going to drop 50 cents right as I'm pushing the button. That's the thing. I'm definitely going to try to catch a scalp here, so I'm just waiting for the best possible. There was 51 for a split second. I want to see it climbing in the 50s as I hit it, not up and down, up and down, up and down. There. Okay, what did I get? 58. Okay, now let's just hope it doesn't soar. Okay. So I'll try to catch a dip on the short. Oh, you're going to do it to me again? See if I want to. Wow. See it coming across here again. This point of control is going to pull up, which means overall we are on an uptrend. So I have to be very careful here. I'm looking for a reverse here, to be honest with you. I'd like to make more than 90. I could slip beyond 90. I'm going to take that. I don't know what that was, but I'm worried that this is just going to start going up, and I don't want to get another $500 hit here. So now we're right along. See the volume profile is moving. Did you see the point of control come up? So this is definitely upping our game, guys. It's telling us like it's high now. It's higher now. We're playing up here. You see this point of control. All that action's happened already. So there's a lot of people holding positions, buying and selling, and this is where the action's going to be. So it's going to repeat. That's a pattern in itself. It's going to repeat. Now I would start looking at patterns for sure. This one you could have called a shooting star, but it didn't reverse it. This one you could almost call a bullish tweezer, but it didn't reverse it. This was starting to make a flat top, but it blew by it. So you could call patterns, but they're not working. They're all not working. So that's the whole thing about when they're 63% accurate, that means 37% of the time they are not accurate. You always got to remember that. So, but it's good to know them, because if you're going, and that's in the candlestick pattern playbook, and then it has a, wow, did you see it pop up again? And it's moving up these upper levels with it. It's just the candlestick pattern playbook. It has the rating system in it, and then it has another book right after it, volume 3. That's 1, 2, and 3. Are just must have books. I'll have links to them. I should have caught that up there, huh? It broke off at 220. Wow. I'm going to reverse there, see if I can catch a little bit more of a dip off of that. Or is that it? Give me a dip there. More than that. I'll take that. Did I actually make money? I can't tell. That slip was some serious slip there. So I'm trying to get to 10K. It's like pulling teeth here. 29.52. You guys, there's somebody up there over 10K already, which is good for you. Couple at 8K like me. Whole bunch at 5 and 6K. So everybody's having a good day, and our red person is at 3K, so that's good. Okay, what happened here? You're breaking down here. This is not how I'm going to make 10K. Oh my God, really? So the scalping indicator is telling you that it's a buyer. These are buyers, not sellers. So I'm not panicking yet to get out of this move. They're battling. Just hit 100% green, buyers again. So it's not enough to think that this is breaking when this has been being pushed up constantly by the magnet and the point of control. And got right up to 220 here, one of my support lines. Or resistance lines, however you want to look at them. So again, these are just psychological supports. Might try to catch it off this bank here. So I'm going to take that. It seems like it's going to go right back down. So I'm going to take that and try to keep me no. Guys, I got to turn around again. I'm over 9. 219.59. See, one of you's over 11,000 already. That is outstanding. This has been difficult. I did get that bad trade though, so you didn't do that bad trade, which is great. And this is longer than I would normally. I'm at my time, but I'll hold it a little longer, guys. This is just an upward trend, is what's happening here. So I'm just going to ride it for a minute. This is the other way to trade, is just don't get out. So I'll give it another 5 minutes or so and see if it just keeps going up. That's what I'm going to do. That should put us up here the way it's been going. You put us up in the 221 range in another 5 minutes. It just seems like, count one of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like $1, $1.50 to $1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably be right about here. I don't know, maybe not $1 more, but you know, it could possibly get me over 10K. So that's what I'm waiting for. I'm going to give it a chance to move. I'm kind of tired. I'm tired of decision fatigue. I didn't like the fact that the trade went bad for me, so I got tired right away. I'm like, whoa, look at the point of control. Bam, bam. Look at it go, guys. Set this. There's a video that shows you how to set this up. It's like it's spraying it up. What is this showing you? This is showing you where all the price action has just happened. A lot of people are still holding there. A lot of people have alarms. A lot of people are, you know, they're waiting or they're buying and selling right here, causing this to move. Oops, let's keep an eye on this too here. I'm not going to reverse this time, so. So it hit 220.50 and turned around. Again, psychological level, 50 cents, whole dollars. The scalper's indicator is basically telling me just what I said. It's basically just grinding across, but coming up. Just so you can see the greens are higher than the reds. It's slowly, you know, 2 steps forward, 1 step back kind of thing, slowly pulling it up. You can kind of look at this and look overall and see that this would tell you the stock is moving up based on where the green is, based on where the volume is. You get used to kind of reading those. I got really good at that with the seller's indicator, which is also a script available for free here. If you just go to episode 83, and I think there's a video that's how to they're revamping the channel right now. So a lot of I don't think that, you see it just pop up again? This is going to keep going up. I'm going to hang on here. This is definitely going to keep going up. Signs are it's going to keep going up. A lot of price action up here, just pulling it up. Wow. So people are feeling very good about AMD today. Look at that. I'm almost there. 2036. There's 10. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'll take that. I'm going to take that. So I don't know what I got that at, but that broke my 10, and I'm going to stop right there because I'm just tired. You guys, it's still going up. I mean, just hang on to it, you know. Just or maybe take, at this point, since we're not in the rules anymore, you could, okay, well, I definitely got out too soon. That's another $500 right there, it looks like, whatever. Yeah, but yeah, I feel very lucky though. Did good today, so make sure you trade in a sim before you try to copy any of these strategies. Make sure they're working for you, and I will see you next time. All right, stay green out there.